At this rate, Zealot should give me an ambassadorship. All right. So this is another Zealot. Yeah, S67. This one has been with me for a long time. The owner sent it from, well, I mean, Ife. The place sent it from Badon. And it has been with me for a long time. So a tough job anyway. It's a tough one. It was a tough one. So what happened? Uh, yeah, the same sound problem anyway. No sound output. The speaker will turn on, but no sound output. And it appears, yeah, something was plugged into it. Yeah, to the USB, I believe. So this got damaged. This 5-volt regulator got damaged. Yeah, it was replaced, but no sound. All right, no sound. Okay, fine. Yeah, it appears this also got damaged as well. Right, and here is the amplifier. It got damaged. So all these were replaced, but still no sound. Okay. I checked this shape. This shape does not get hot. Well, it's working fine. And I check all the parts. Yeah. The necessary voltage, at first, there was no voltage here for the amplifier. Even though if this one does not work, at least these ones are working. So 7 point something volts was here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the voltage were present here, but no sound output. Right. Well, this is for the amplifier, this is for the speakers, but no sound output. Well. So I read all the parts. I don't know if I can. Let me check if there was a time that I broke down the voltage. Let me try to look for. Yeah. Okay. Good. You see, you look at here. Okay. You see, you look at here how I broke down all the voltage, right? All the voltage at each part, and everything appears to be okay. No problem. Okay. No problem. Well, since this one is analog, a digital to analog, I just replace it and that fixed the problem. Now I have a sound output, right? Okay, so this one is going to be extremely short. So this fault has been fixed. This guy from Brighton will be happy because his speaker is back up working now. So just for me to assemble it and have it fixed. All right, so that is that. It's working. Now remember what I did. Okay, so how many things did I change here? Okay, I confirmed that it has problem and I replaced them. There is 1, the regulator. 2 is this right here. 3 is the amplifier, and here is the digital to analog converter. Oh, so that is not all. That is not all. That is not all. If you look at this cap, this cap has been replaced. I replaced this cap. This because they look bulgy. So I replaced this cap, replace this cap, replace this cap, and this cap as well. So I replaced 1, 2, 3, 4 caps. Yeah, I replaced the caps. So part of the caps. Yeah, you see this one. So this is part of the caps that I replaced. And do I see this one? Look at this. Look at the top of this. All right. So these are, yeah, some of the caps that I replaced. And this one looks bigger. All right. Let me see. So I think this was around here. So it is tiny like this. This is 25 volts, 680 UF at this side. Now I change to what? I maintain the same 25 volts because I have to maintain it. The 25 volts, 680 UF. Same thing, but it's bigger. Right. It's much bigger than this one. Yeah, it's much bigger than this one. You see the difference, but it has the same capacitance and the same voltage. So it's good to go. And of course, it worked. So how many things did I replace here? So many things. So many things. All right. So that is all.